So actually, guys, we're back. So we're back now, as usual. As I said, the weekly recap. So let me show you all trades I've been taking both this week and both last week, and both my review and how the trading journey has been going. Because I've been off for a while. So let's dive straight into the my profile account. Most of you will be thinking that I've blown the account, like both my funded nest and my gold funded. I haven't blown anyone. Like the account is still alive and breathing. So let's dive straight into the dashboard. So let's start with funded next. So this is my funded next account. Yeah, a 5k challenge, and so on and so forth. So actually on this account I'm actually down 1.19%. Yeah, I'm down 1.19%. So I don't usually trade this so like every day, or like I always trade the gold funded, but this is the funded next. So let me just show you like some trading overview right here. On this account they said if I'm not active for 30 days, like if I don't place a trade in 30 days, that the account will be taken down. So what I do is that I go to the account, like let's say twice in a month. I just place some 0.001, like 0.01 watts, just place it on some place and place my SL like some place, whatever. I just risk $1 on that thing and just leave the market like that, let it do whatever it wants. So this is the account. As you can see here, this is 0.07, no, okay, 0.01, 0.02. Like I've just been placing the trade so that the account will be alive, so it will not die, like so I don't know blow the account. Let's see the analytics. Yeah, let's see the analytics. So I normally trade euro USD. So at some point I started trading the pound. Yeah, this account is for the pound and the euro USD though. Yes, so it is not wrong. P&L weekly, you can say that. Blah 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 and blah and blah. This is not what I want to see. I don't understand what's going on there. Like, okay, maybe it's here. My win rate is now like 46% on this account. Like this account I don't usually take trades on it, but there's something I want to see. There's something I want to see in this account. There's something I want to see in this account. There's something I want to see on this account. There's something I want to see. Where would it be? Where would it be? Where would it be? Where do I find this stuff? Where do I find this stuff? Where do I find this stuff? Oh, okay, yeah. This is what I'm looking for. As you can see, from here, let's say, I don't know, but this is the account. Like, I usually don't even trade this account, but when I started trading was like, the day that stuff happened, like, it dropped down massively and dropped and dropped and dropped and didn't trade the account. Like, I don't trade the account, so this account is just here. This account is just here though. So let's just leave this one. Let's go back to the gold funded. Like this account, before I start trading it, like I actually know what I'm doing. Like I don't just want to trade this account. Why? Because I bought it very costly. So for the gold funded accounts, I bought it very cheap. Yeah, like it's just this money. Like I divided the money for the funded next account by 2. Then I bought this gold funded account. Let me just show you the starting date so that you be more certain that I haven't bought any account again. As you can see, start date 16th of April. We're actually in August. I bought this account on April, right here, 16th of April 2025. Same with the gold funded, but not on April. When did I buy gold funded? Okay, it's on May. I bought on May. So let's view the dashboard. As you can see, just one account, 0 payout. I just pray I start collecting payouts from this account soon. So as you can see right here, I don't know why this is showing like 6 trading days. Like, I don't know. So, but on this account, I'm up 100. Yeah, where's that balance? I'm up 100. Yeah, yeah, I'm up 100 now. But this was a 5K account. I'm up 100 on this account. $100. I'm up $100. So I need more 300, like no, 296 to pass phase one. Yeah, I need more 296 to pass phase one. So let's see my trading overview. I'm still at 49%, close to 50% win rate. So my consistency is 73.65%. So as you can see right here, all my trades I've been taking recently, where my head is now my head has calmed down. Like, I'm taking good trades. So now, before I used to take like 5 trades. Like, whenever I want to place an entry, I'll just be like, I'll go with 0.05 and I'll place it buy 5 times. Then I'll calculate the stop loss times that 5. Maybe to be running like $15 or $17. But now I just place one trade, I calculate the lot size, place the trade, and I leave it. So as you can see, this is a full 1 to 3 I got right here on this trade, and this one was a loss, $26 loss, just extra $1 that added to it. So it's still 0.5% though. So this one was like okay, a break-even trade. This is a break-even trade. And this one, okay, this is not a break-even. Okay, this is the time I normally place 5 trades in a row. This is a win. I normally place 5 trades in a row. If you look at it, same time, entry. So I said this is like making my trading history look kind of rough. So I started placing it 1-1. So as you can see, the loss. So let's go to the calendar for this month. So for this month, from August 1st, we're actually on August. Today is August 16. Today is August 16. For this week, okay, for this month, I've only taken 2 trades. Okay, 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. Like, yeah, for this month. And this is the same month I made this $100. Yeah, my win rate is 66%. So let's go to the last month, when I was not actually focused. As you can see, loss, break even, loss. Okay, it was a break even to win. Kind of looking sketchy, right? For June, as you can see, loss everywhere. Then this is just a little bit of profit. Maybe this is when I don't reach. I have not been risking like my normal percentage, but now I'm risking 0.5% per trade. Very soon, once I go and backtest my strategy, because I'm working on getting a 4 years data on my strategy, and when I get it, I'm going to keep you guys updated. So that's just it. So as you can see, for this week that we just passing, I literally took no trade. Like, there was no trades for me this week. No trades at all. I didn't get any setup, and I did not place any trade. I was not chasing any setup, so I just watched the market. So let's head into the chart. But before we dive into the chart and everything, let me show you. There's this account I'm thinking of buying. Yeah, I know it's crazy buying accounts up and down when I've not even passed one. It's called Naira Trader. This is my country's account, so I'm thinking of buying it. It's actually cheap. It's a cheap account though. I'm thinking of buying this account. Yeah, so I'll have like 300. Yeah, I'm thinking of buying this account, and then once I buy this account, I'll be trading it with the gold funded. Like, I want to risk 1% on this account once I buy it. Like, as you can see, this account is a Naira Trader account with profit targets of 10% for phase 1, then phase 2 also 10%, max drawdown 20%. Yeah, like, what it means is that phase 1 you're actually trying to make 10%, and your overall drawdown is 20%. That's massive. But this account, you have to be smart in order to trade it. I've not traded before, I've not tried it before, but I myself personally, I'm going to try this account. It's actually 9,500. I myself, I'm going to actually purchase it. Yeah, so in my next video, I'm going to be purchasing this account today, because they're actually running a discount today. So I'm going to purchase this account in my next video, so that any of you that want to buy this account can go over there and buy this account. So I'm actually going to buy this account today. Yeah, so this is the account. I'm thinking of buying it. Yeah, it's not I'm actually going to buy it. I've been thinking about this for a while now, but bro, instead of me to carry this 9,500 and go and fund $5 in my broker, I'd rather use it and go and trade it in a funded account. Okay, But what is there? If I'm trying to make like 3% a month, is it just what do I say, $5, 3% of $5? What? It's literally nothing. So it's nothing. And if I say let me just like, I don't like these days. Funding $5 is looking rubbish to my eyes. At least if I have up to $100, even if I have $100, I cannot go and fund my account $100. I cannot just go and try it because it's rubbish. If you do the calculation, I'm going to see all those explanation is going to come out soon. Like I will be giving you guys a lot of stuff why I will not fund my account with little money. I'll give you guys some stuff. Okay, so this is the account I want to purchase. Naira Trader. We are going to go back there soon. So let's go to my Notion. Let's go to my Notion. Yeah, this is my Notion right here. For the trade that got me back to break even, like not to break even, to where I was before I started losing all my money. Let's start from this one. Yeah, because it was just 2 trades with 1 loss, 2 trade and 1 loss. As you can see, this was my entry before. Sweep of liquidity, minor change of character happened right here, right around this area. So bam, bam, bam. So that was my entry, engulfing candle, held it, as you can see right here, pull back, new stop loss after breaking this low, went down, pull back, new stop loss after breaking this low, then bam, full TP on this account. As you can see, that full TP on this account, that is making me $53. Yeah, that's it. So on the other trade, this one I took a loss on it. Let me show you, minus $26. Let me show you right here. So sweep of liquidity, change of character, pullback, engulfing candlestick, entry, stop loss. I'm always aiming for that 1 to 3 risk reward. So this was the trade after run, a little bit of profit, and bam. If this candle would have closed just right below this one, like if like some price action happened that closed below this one, my new stop loss will actually be here. But I was not planning on moving my stop loss because I have a plan and I will stick to it. So price reversed and stop loss got hit, and that's what happened all the way. So I lost this trade. So the next trade was this one. I made $76 on this trade. $76 on this trade. As you can see right here, I was waiting for this at first when price was actually here. I was waiting for price to break this, so that is when I just drew all this like structure right here, as you can see. But after seeing this 1 minute break of structure, this is not actually a 1 minute, this is actually a structure that happened right here. I looked at it as a structure, most especially this one right here, this candle right here, and this candle. So after looking at these two stuff that happened right here, and looking at the delivery in price, well, it pulled back. Yeah, it pulled back to some fair value gap zone and also tapped into this demand zone. So after creating all this little price action right here, it finally gave me that candle, like that engulfing candle, closing out all this whole price action. So this is not actually one of the most like, this is not like an AA plus setup. This is actually just A plus. Yeah, this is not like this is not a high quality setup. Okay, so this was the trade after. As you can see, smooth price action. When I said smooth price action, I mean smooth price action. Right here, it went down, went back up, went down, went back up. So actually, after seeing this break right here, after this candle just closed right here, I was actually break even on this trade, break even. So it was going down smoothly. Me, if I was like, I remember my old self, once price just reach here, I'll be like, I'll be taking passion. But no, I said no, I'm going to hold this trade till it hits that 1 to 3. So news came out, price like just almost tapped my break even, but as you can see, it smashed my take profit and even went further downwards. Like, it was crazy, but let me show you another thing. Like, when price became normal is when, as you can see right here, this change of character I was waiting to happen finally happened, and this was the pullback. So some traders, this would be the entry and this would be the stop loss. So aiming for that 1 to 3, and price is going to definitely hit that 1 to 3 because of that same news that happened that day. The price is also going to hit that same 1 to 3 for them. So actually, this was another trade I took that got me back to where I am right now. So all these other trades, should I just show you the trades? But let me show you. But I'm sure that I've like made a review on this trade before. I'm sure about that. As you can see right here, what I always look for: sweep of liquidity, break of structure right here, and right here. So I did not enter right here. I entered over here. Still stop loss right here, aiming for that 1 to 3, and bam! As you can see that it hit that 1 to 3. This was my actual main entry, but this one was just a sketchy entry. But this was my main entry I placed on this. From now on I'll be posting like a screenshot on MPC5 so that it will look more legit, because some traders out there can just go and place an entry before and screenshot after, but me, I'm going to add more value to this. So let's go back to trading view and why I did not take any trade for this week, this trading view. So let's go to Monday. Let's see Monday. Okay, this Tuesday. Okay, this is Monday. So guys, what I always look for in the market is this. Let me just give you guys a little bit of map out about it, about my strategy and the rest. Nope. Okay, so actually what I always look for is this, like a consolidation phase, like some section liquidity, some section liquidity pool, a sweep to the upside, or either to the downside, then a break of structure to the downside, a pullback, then aiming for that consistent 1 to 3. As you can see, though, so this is what I always look for in the market. As you can see, that very clean and easy, very clean and easy. This is always the setup I always want to see in the market. You understand? So for me, this is my Asia range, because I normally look for liquidity to be taken out during London session. Like, I want that Asia session liquidity to be taken out. You understand? So with that being said, as you can see right here, let me widen this just so you can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see right here, Asia range, this was too expansive, and I was not, after seeing this expansivity in the market during Asia session, I was definitely sure that I would see any setup today. So price just went back, flipping down, and it's New York session. As you can see here, it's almost like it's 12 o'clock already right here. There's no like pullback or break of structure in all this zone right here. So let's see the next trade. As you can see over here, let me run this. Okay. As you can see over here, price swept to the highs before London section. Okay, it swept to the price before London section, and then swept to the lows again. So sweep of the highs, sweep of the lows. If I complete an entry, bro, I'm not taking an entry for that day. Moving on to the next one. I always want to look for one sweep of the market, not two sweeps. So this Wednesday swept the highs, fine and good. So now I'm looking for like a break of structure right here, then a pullback. Then we place that trade. So as you can see, price just keeps shooting. So I'm not saying this price action, like price shooting to the upside, this is not a sweep. Yeah, this is not a sweep. This is just like, it will be like a change of price in the higher time frame. So I don't actually look at the higher time frame, I look at the lower time frame. So some guys that trade the same models took a loss on this, like on this model, like on this day, like on Wednesday. Some guys took a loss on this, because once I see that kind of price action, bro, it's not a sweep. Because some guys did this, some guys have not understand this model like pretty well, did this, like, bro, change of character, very clean change of character. So they'll be waiting for a pullback right here, or right here, and this pullback. So some guys, they do draw out like this, what I call it, fib 2. They draw out the fib 2 from here to wait for price to retrace to that 61.8 level. As you can see, it tapped into the 61.8 level. So they are going to try to enter from this point, from this pullback that happened. Let me remove this. From this pullback that happened here, they will try to enter, but me, I don't enter on just literally a pullback. I wait for an engulfing candle. So if this would have happened like before this expansive market to the upside, just like that, bro, I did not take this trade. But some guys took this trade, aiming for that 1 to 3, and this height looks like they took the trade, let's say from here, they shot the trade from that 61.8 level, and stop loss just right above this high, and still aiming for that 1 to 3 risk reward. Right here. So what is it? Okay, well, some guys they took a loss on this trade. I was really sure about that. So actually, this is a good trade though. Yeah, it hits that one to trade, and you know this trade played out fine. Yes, it played out fine. But this okay, this is a New York trade. This is a New York entry. Okay, this is a New York trade for New York traders. I don't trade New York. Yeah, I don't trade New York. So this was a win for them, because it's a very great win. But when I see that trade I was talking about, I'm going to show it to you guys. Okay, but this was a win for them. One trade, bam. But I don't trade New York session. I always focus to trade London session. So let's keep going. So this is Thursday, and this is what I was waiting for. As price swept this low and swept this other low, so I was waiting for. This is like 7 o'clock. I'm not in London section already, so I was after seeing this sweep here and right here too. I was waiting for like a pullback, like a break of structure, then a pullback, but no, price did not give me that. So as you can see here, people that trade same New York and the rest, but after seeing this expansive market to the downside with no pre reaction, but some guys see what they also did. Yeah, sometimes you win doing what you do, sometimes you lose. Like sometimes you win doing the right thing, sometimes you lose doing the wrong thing. Still the same wrong thing. Like sometimes you win doing the wrong thing, and sometimes you definitely lose when the market is normal. So as you can see, some guys placed an entry right here and aiming for that same 1 to 3 risk reward for those guys that trade New York session. Okay, this is still London session, but after seeing this expansive market, I was not even looking for an entry this side again. I was not looking for an entry this side again. So they'll definitely do this like this and still be aiming for that same 1 to 3 risk reward right here. Right here. Okay, keep it like that. So as you can see, price just went back down and swept them out after giving them the profits, and bam, they got swept out of the market instantly. Yeah, some guy posted this on Discord, like some newbie traders. He posted this on TikTok and he took that loss. Yeah. So let me quickly delete that because I don't want to have it floating around my chart. I did not place that trade. I did not place the trade. So we head over to Friday. So on Friday we have a sweep. Yeah, we had another sweep. This sweep was before London session. Now this one sweep was definitely London session. So I was waiting for a change of color, like let us say it breaks this low. But no, it also swept that high again. I was saying okay, no problem. So I was waiting for price to come and sweep this low so that I'll enter on that pullback. There's a very nice fair value gap created already, like a very beautiful one. So my only thing now, my own problem is let price just sweep this low, like no, not sweep, let it give me that change of character. That is the one key thing. I need to wait for a change of character before placing that entry on the pullback. So price was just reacting around here, playing around, giving some messy price action around here. So I was saying, okay, what if now price just go there now, tap my fair value gap and give me that engulfing candle? I will still take the trade. Why? Because it have tapped the zone, the fair value gap zone, and the demands, the like other block right here. It have tapped both of them, so there's nothing price is going to go there to do anymore if it gives me an engulfing candle right here. But this candle, it did not close below any structure right here. It was just flipping bullish. So like that, I escaped this loss because that engulfing candle is one key of, if I do not say engulfing candle, bro, I'm not entering that trade. If it's a weak candle like this one that closed with a weak on the top, and this one that closed like a bullish wick, like a hammer, I will not enter it until it's a full engulfing candle, like a full bearish candle like this one. Now that's when I used to enter. As you can see, price just kept on sweeping to the upside, and all the way, and market is closed. So guys, that is it, and that is that for that. So we have come to the end of this video. If you are seeing me for the first time, please click on the subscribe button, like, and follow up. I'll be posting more videos right here on YouTube. Okay, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Okay, bye, have a nice day.